Okay, setting up a Twitter account is really easy. So what we're going to do, let me go, Twitter. This is for one of my new clients. This is the Twitter screen, and all you have to do is go to sign up. Usually we have a dummy email, so you can avoid spam. Okay, full name. And you just enter the name of the client, or your name, whatever. And then the username is usually like your business name or something like that. I think Twitter only allows 12 characters, so hopefully her business, Creative Express. So we're trying to find something, because her Facebook page is also Creative Expressions. So we want to make sure we have something where it's still representing the name. So Creative Expression is fine for now. And we can go back and change it later if we need to. So you're going to put in a password that is easy for you to remember. And I did a dummy email for her, for Gmail usually, because that's where all your Twitter spam or your Twitter direct messages come in and stuff like that. It's just easier. And then just go to create my account. Once you create the account, it asks for this spam control. Sometimes this is nerve-wracking because you can't really read the words because they're all conjoined together, but I think this will do. Okay, so this next step is just like find friends, and basically she's probably not going to have any friends because I just set up this dummy email account just yesterday, so I'm not going to find friends like that. So I'm just going to go to the next step. Let's see, next step you're done, next step you're done. Okay, so we're just going to be done for a minute. Okay, so now this is basically the screen. You just have there's zero followers enlisted. Before we start getting some followers, I just want to do some basic simple things. Basically, like, first, let's just go and click on this picture right now. And when we click on the picture, we're just going to upload a photo. Usually, like, I like Twitter because you can upload fun stuff. And she has a Facebook fan page, and I just want to make sure it's in sync with the Facebook fan page. So I'm going to use the same photo. She's actually changing some of her pictures, but for now, for the account setup purposes and to get everything going, that's what we're going to do. We uploaded that photo, so now it's saying the location. We could just put that she's in New York. And then her website, which is still being created, I'm just going to put this here for now. Okay, we're going to do that. And then a bio is just the way you write 160 fewer than 160 characters about yourself. And this, she has a handbag and jewelry and a company. So I'm going to come back to that one yet, because I actually, before I did this video, I didn't write down a little blurb about her. Anyway, so that's what you do, and then you just press save. So once you press save, once you press save, it's gonna go and show your picture and have all your information stored, and you can always come back to it if you need be. Okay, so basically we go to the profile. This is basically the profile that we're on right now. And the design, we're gonna see if we want to just change the design a little bit. And here it's so easy. You can select any theme that you want, or you can create your own custom background image. But for right now, we're just going to keep it very, very simple. Okay, so that's basically how you set up Twitter. Just your email address, a picture, and then your basic information and stuff like that. So now you could just write what's happening, what you're doing. I just set up my first Twitter account. Just set up my first Twitter account, which nobody's probably going to see because you don't really have followers. Twitter account. Just write that. And then you just press tweet, and it tweets for the whole world to see. And then in the next tutorial, we're probably going to get more into how you go find followers, how do you find people, what does certain things mean on here. But hopefully you get a the gist of what how you can set up a Twitter account. Then we just go back into, to confirm the Twitter account and stuff like that, we just go back into our Gmail account that we set up. It says confirm your Twitter account. Once we confirm our Twitter account, we're ready to rock and roll. And we're ready to go look for people and start tweeting and doing a lot of things. Your account has been confirmed. Thanks. And it's simple as 1, 2, 3, right? Okay.